there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to film for you guys a huge Dollar Tree haul. This is stuff that I've collected over the past little while, and then I just did a big haul today of stuff that we are going to bring with us to Disney. So everything here is Disney either themed or things we'll need while we're at Disney. And yeah, I better just hop right in because it is huge. I also bought a couple of other things at the Dollar Tree, sort of home related, so I'm going to film that separately. But if you want to view that, I'll link it sort of here or down below in the description box. So let's just hop right into the Disney stuff. So if you are new to my channel, I have two children. They are 6 and 4. The 6-year-old is a boy and the 4-year-old is a girl. So yeah, let's hop into it. So the first couple things here that I can see, I have a huge box beside me, are 2 puzzles. So these things won't go down in our luggage. They'll go, how we do it is my in-laws come with us and then they bring like a big bag for us because they drive and we fly. So anyway, these will probably be packed up in this suitcase that they're bringing. So there's this puzzle here, both the Incredibles, but 2 different ones here. So I thought that those would be good for the kids to do while we are staying at the condo. So we're down for 2 weeks and we're not doing Disney every day. There will be some days where we just sort of lounge at the house in the pool and stuff like that. So I thought that would be good activities while we're there. Then some more puzzles. These ones here I thought we could bring on the plane. So there's this one here, Vampirina, and then there's this one here, Mickey and the Roadster Racers. So these 2 here I thought would be good for the airplane or the airport, just traveling while we're there. It's kind of nice and small. They're pretty thin, so I thought those would pop right into a backpack pretty easily. So pick those up. Also for the carry-on bags, I found 2 books. This one is Alice in Wonderland for Miriam, and then this one is The Jungle Book for Jude. They can switch if they want to, but this one here has less words on the page, and this one here has more words on the page. So anyway, I thought that they would be good, you know, to entertain them as we're going down on the airplane. Then it's best to travel with some type of Kleenex or something like that. So I found 2 Disney themed Kleenex, you know, packages. So this one is Star Wars themed. This one's for Jude, and then this one is princess themed. That one's for Miriam. So I'll just sort of like open it up and put 1 pack in their little carry-on. So that's that. Then this isn't Disney specific, but they are big freezer bags. There are 20 in this pack here, and it was $1.25. So this is from Dollarama. Most of the stuff is from Dollar Tree, but some is also from Dollarama because we have one in town, or in my town. So anyway, big Ziploc bags because you always need those, right? While you're traveling with kids. So pick those up there. Then more entertainment things for the kids. I have these little sticker packs, but they're the reusable stickers, and they come with like the little scene where you can sort of put the stickers on, take them off, move them all around. So I found 1 for Miriam and 1 for Jude. And I found a ton of glow sticks. I only picked up these ones here, so I found these 2 here. These are like the wands. We'll bring these to the parks so that they can use them sort of at nighttime when it's getting dark and they just want something to entertain themselves. I got a Mickey one here, sorry, a Minnie one here and a Mickey one here. And then these are just like the bracelet ones, and they come, let's see, 8 in a pack. So just like multicolored, rainbow colored ones. Thought the kids would like those, so I picked those up. And I found these at the Dollarama, but they are the Zoom Zoom, like Disney Zoom Zoom mystery packs. So who knows what's inside these, but I'm sure the kids will have a good time ripping those open and seeing what they've got inside. But also not Disney themed, but needed while we are traveling to the condo is each kid will be in their own separate room. And so I bought them each a nightlight. Jude has this nightlight in his room right now. And it works really well. It flips on and flips off, and it's an LED bulb, so it lasts forever. But anyway, I picked those up just for the trip so that my in-laws can bring them down before we arrive in that big suitcase that they're taking with them. Then I bought this one last time we went 2 years ago, but I can't find it. So anyway, it's this carabiner here, and we just hook it on our stroller. Even though the kids are 6 and 4, we're still gonna bring a stroller. Actually, we're gonna rent one while we're down there. But this was always good to sort of hook on, so you can hook on bags or water bottles or whatever. So picked up one of these carabiners. Then for the kids, they both like to write or draw, so I picked them each up like a little notebook. There's a Disney princess one here with Merida and Mulan on there. That's not that common, so I thought Miriam would really like that. And then there's this one here for Jude. It's the Avengers, so have that there. I find that it's easier to find Disney themed things for like girls, or things that Miriam is into, versus Jude. A lot of the things are superhero related, and he's not really that into superheroes. So anyway, he likes Mickey, he likes Winnie the Pooh, he likes Buzz and Woody. And so it's harder to find that type of stuff, I find, at the Dollar Tree, but I think I did a pretty good job. So there's that. And then at the Dollarama, I found these two lip smackers. So this is sort of a special treat. I don't buy this type of stuff for the kids that often, but it's a Olaf here and a Cinderella here. And so I think that they're really gonna like those. I thought they were cute. They were actually $2 a piece, I believe. Yeah, $2. So a little bit more expensive than the Dollar Tree, but I don't know. I thought those were pretty cute for $2 each. Then we have like pencils, pencil crayons, markers, all that sort of stuff. But they're not Disney themed, so I just thought, whatever, I'll buy one pack of Disney themed markers just for the trip. And you know, Jude, we can split them in half. There's 8 of them, I think. Yeah, 8. So we can split them in half and then the kids can share them. But I thought those would be cool for the airplane on the way down. And then I picked this up for Miriam. It was just a gel cling here. There was not anything that I thought Jude would like, so I just picked that up. I don't know where she's gonna use it or what, but I thought it was cute, so I got that for her. And then I also got these Zoom Zoom stickers. They have a whole big pack of stickers in there, so both kids can sort of enjoy that and, you know, stick them on pieces of paper and stuff like that. So just for some crafting, I thought that would be cool. And then these two things I think the kids are really gonna like. They are really into dry erase boards and playing hangman and spelling out words, and Miriam likes, you know, me telling her how to spell a word and she writes it out. So anyway, I thought these would be cool. They're dry erase little tablets. There's this one here, which is Frozen, and then this one here, which is Toy Story, but they had a couple of other ones. I think Pirates of the Caribbean they had, and just, you know, a couple other different ones. So that was pretty cool to find. And then I found a book for Miriam. This was also from the Dollarama, and it's Disney Princesses Lookin' Fine. So I thought this would be great to sort of hold her attention for a while. It's one of those things where it shows you, you know, objects to find in the picture, and so I thought that would be cool. Then for the pool, we found this, Jude actually helped me find this. It was a, it is a water balloon? No, not water balloon. Inflatable pool balloon? What did they call them? Beach ball. What's wrong with me? A beach ball. And it was from the Dollarama. It was $2. It's the Avengers, and so I think we'll have a good time with this in the pool at the condo. Then I was on the lookout for little treats. Last time we went, I was able to find Disney themed like snacks and stuff for the plane, but I wasn't able to find that this time, so I'll keep looking. We're not going till February. But anyway, I wasn't able to find any recently, but I did find little jelly beans, which I think the kids will really like. They are Cars themed, and so I got 2 packs, one for each kid, and I think they'll like that. Then for the bathtub at the condo, I just got them each one of these little magic towels where, you know, they're small like this, but you open them up and when they get wet, they expand. So I got Miriam this mini one here, and then for Jude, I got him the Incredibles one here. So then just a couple more things. I picked up 2 of these pens. They were $1 each. They were from the Dollar Tree, and Donald Duck and Daisy there. So I thought those would be good. I tried them in the store and they worked really well. So sometimes with the Dollar Tree, you have to be worried about their pens because they don't work all that great. But these worked really well. They like were pretty smooth and stuff. So anyway, I was happy to find characters that are different than the normal ones. So Donald and Daisy there. I thought that was pretty cool. And then I got this Thor itty bitty, you know, those Hallmark ones. This was at the Dollarama, so it was $2. But I picked this up for Jude. I thrifted another little stuffy for Miriam, so I wanted to sort of have a little bit even. So I found this at the Dollarama, and I thought that was pretty cool, so got that. And then just two more things. I picked up this calculator. It's not Disney themed or anything like that, but Jude loves a calculator. He can be on a calculator all day long. He uses it to actually do math, but then he also uses it and pretends it's his phone and I don't know, various things. But anyway, we bought a calculator for him that he brought to New York City when we went on our last trip, and he lost it. So, or I lost it, or someone lost it. And so I picked him up another one for this trip here. I think he's really gonna be happy about that. And then the last thing I picked up were these nail polishes. They're Zoom Zoom nail polishes. I had intentions of giving these to Miriam for Christmas, but kind of forgot. They were tucked away and I forgot about them. So I don't know when we will use these. Maybe down at the condo or something like that if there's sort of a rainy day. I don't know. But I thought this would be cool. I don't know if Jude wants to have his nails done too. So we can play with that down at the condo. They're not like kid-specific nail polishes. They're just like the regular nail polish. So hopefully they're not too toxic. We'll use them outside, and yeah, there you go. So she's 4 years old. She's not gonna, like, you know, eat the nail polish or anything like that. So that is my super huge Disney Dollar Tree haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for a video of what I actually pack in the kids' carry-on bags when we go on the airplane. I did the same video 2 years ago when we went. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel but you'd like to see more videos from me, then please consider subscribing, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye!